Part two of the video. I don't know if the camera somehow shut off. I've got a 56 Monarch. Mustang. Must have accidentally hit the pause button by mistake. So we'll just continue it on from part one. Main Street in High River. Old railroads. '64 Ford XL, '64 Ford Galaxy 500, '66 Cadillac, Museum of the High Route. It's the old railroad station. Used to be used as a train station years and years ago. Got a Ranchero, a Plymouth Belvedere, a Chevy 10, a Monarch Richelieu, got a band here. Got a Volkswagen. Music you hear in the background, not mine, so just ignore it, anybody. The old theater. Paw Patrol is on now. Food truck. Like I say, just ignore the music in the background because it's not mine. A Falcon, a Lincoln, a Plymouth, GMC truck, more classic cars down there, a GTO, a Cheyenne, another Cheyenne. That one's 71, so I think that one's a 71 too because it's got the same front grille. Dodge pickup. '20 Corolla. '57 Ford. Monte Carlo. Cadillac. Even comes with horns on the front. And a scarecrow. Thunderbird. Chrysler 300. Alberta Pioneer Auto Club Chevy. A Toyota Corolla, an old one. Little small pickup truck. Some cars down there, but not very many, so I won't go down that street. A little bit of wind blowing today, so might pick up on the camera. So I wish it wouldn't be windy all the time. I hate I don't know if there's anything I put on the mic or not in the camera, but eliminate that wind noise. It just seems to go on and on and on there, all these cars.
Oh yeah. So I just
'70 Dodge GTO. Old pickup for sale. Got a modern airbag steering wheel in it. Another very old car. Well, we're going to go over here now. '70 Dodge, I think it is, but see how the front fender opens up so you can service the engine. I like the color of that 65 Impala over there, kind of like an orchard color. Valiant convertible. Mustang. Chevy pickup. Impala. Another Impala. Looks like it's under restoration. Mustang, El Camino, Mustang, Pontiac Parisienne 2+2. Another Chevy pickup. Yeah, sure, a lot of pickup trucks here. Seems like they're still very popular after all these years. A Ford pickup. A Dodge Shelby. '68 Impala. Firebird. GMC. Very rare old Lincoln. '62 Laurentian by Pontiac. '60 Straddle Chief. Got a straight seats in it. You see the difference between '60 and '62 in the same car.
I'll wear a sweater.
'64 Mercury Park Lane. Corvette. Camaro. Ranchero. Gran Torino. Well, I think I'm going to shut this video down because I'm just about out of memory space on this card. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So see you next time. Bye for now.